guys, Brian here. Today I'm going to be unboxing 5 Jurassic World dinosaurs. You're seeing one. Yes, you're seeing only one. But I'm going to pick up some more. I already have 4. I have 5 of them here, but I'm going to show you this one first. This is the Hesperosaurus. These are all the new epic evolution ones. There's more here too. This is the Wild Roar. I don't know if it shows any pictures, but yeah, this one's one of the scannables. Okay, I've already got the strips. Alright. You're missing parts of the tail. Alright. Well, this is hard. I have to damage the box to get the tail open. Here's the tail. And let's connect it, snap it to the dinosaur. That's the Hesperosaurus. The Stegosaurid with the Thagomizer and the plates. The plates look, I don't know, they look like fans. There's a nice bird-like mouth. The box side. And nice legs. It's a nice green color, but I don't know. It's not bland, but I like to have a little more pattern. And they didn't even paint the Thagomizer. Seriously? Why? But overall, it's pretty good. The legs can move. Like the back ones. Oh, the back ones are kind of, okay. Somewhat tight. But they can move. The front ones, too. It's, one of the ones that make sounds. So there's a speaker. This time, you have to use this little, you move this, and it makes noise. You can tail slamming. I like it. That's actually pretty cool. And the scan code is right here. Move him aside. There we go. The next one is another Wild Roar. The Urvix Same box, but this one's a mountain one, whereas the Hesperosaurus is forest. Actually, I think this is tundra, and this is the green one's a jungle. All right. There we go. Cut the strips off, and the tail has to be inserted. The damages again. Alright, let's move the box. Urvix with the nice gray color with blue. Tiny arms. It has like 2 horns, so I think this is more of related to Carnotaurus. And it has a really small looking head. I don't know why is its head small. I like the scaling though, the scales. You can stand on his 2 legs, which, let's go to the articulation. These small arms can move. These legs, oh wow, they going inwards and outwards is actually very tight. But the legs can move. And the tail. Here's the action feature. This will trigger its mouth and make noise. So it goes up and down. I think this is more detailed than the Hesperosaurus I showed you just a few minutes ago. I don't know. Maybe Hesperosaurus is better than this one. I'm not sure. That's your opinion. Scan code. Right here. Near the tail. Alright. Let's get a little bigger. So, here's a gigantic trackers. Even though they're like... Okay, yeah. This is a gigantic trackers Triceratops. Here's the back. Shows you what action it has. There's no tracking gear like the dino trackers, but still pretty good. Oh, sorry. Sorry about that. Now let's cut the strips. Triceratops. Alright, here's the giant Triceratops. I'm not sure. I think it's like the 12th Triceratops. Honestly, it's pretty good. I think it's bigger than the other Triceratops. I'm not sure. It has a nice cyan teal look. Looks pretty good with the nice horns. For articulation, the legs can move, but they can't go in and out for some reason for these ones. Weird. The back ones can't. Oh, never mind. They can't. They can rotate. You could just twist, but they're kind of tight. And the tail can move. They click. For the action feature, this swiveling thing, you'll either ram it, or you can ram its head. It could just shake its head and then just ram at you, like, woo! Yeah, it's like very long neck. Look how long it is. And another action feature is very, you can't see that much, but it's on near the little thing. You makes the spikes go out. Look at that. Oh, you could be horns. Yeah, it makes it a little more detailed. It makes it more look like it's ready for battle. That looks cool. Let's try Triceratops. Next is the Neovenator. Neovenator. The Neovenator. This one. Oh, I forgot. So the Triceratops one, this is a tundra Triceratops. This is a river Neovenator. A river symbol here on the back as well. Some nice features for this one too. This one's also another gigantic trackers. This one's a carnivore. It doesn't even, for some reason, he doesn't have painted toenails. Weird. The pattern looks good. I think this one has the best color, and the variety of colors is the best one. Yeah, for articulation, you can actually move the arms for this one. You can actually move the arms, but it's I don't know. I don't think it makes sense if you're moving the arms. Anyways, yeah, you can move the arms, but they're kind of loose. The legs can move, but they can't go in and out. They can only rotate. They can make it go upward, downward. There we go. He stands well. Yeah, you can also rotate its tail. I'm not sure why you're supposed to do that, because I like this texture. This kind of ruins it. The action feature is same thing with Triceratops. Yeah, but it can move. This one moves its jaws and its claws, which is the reason why these hands are kind of loose, because it's for its action feature. And you can also move these feathers. I'm not sure if these are feathers or spikes. I think these are feathers. But this one's pretty cool. The last one is the biggest one I have. Giant Ruthless Rampage Allosaurus. Another river one. On the back. This one actually makes sounds. I'm not sure if this is the biggest Allosaurus toy here, but it seems pretty large for an Allosaurus, and the entire sculpt is more different than the Jurassic World Dominion Allosaurus. This is way more different. The scales actually look way different. This head looked different. The legs, this looks very different. Yeah, the Mattel has changed what Allosaurus looked like from it's more reptilian looking to me. But this one has painted toenails, which is good. No painted like the nails, the little right here. Yeah, fingernails. The articulation. This one's a little better because you can actually make its arms go like this, unlike the Neo-Venator, which the Neo-Venator you can only just go up and down. This one you can. It's a hinge. The legs, they can't go in and out for some reason. They can rotate. The tail's a lot better because not only can it go 360, this part of the tail is actually, I think it's on a ball joint. But I don't know, it can go kind of up and down. So it's only, I don't know if it's a ball joint. It's pretty good. You can side to side is pretty good. Like, this is just terrifying. No, not terrifying. Terrible because it ruins, like, the scales. For the action feature is pretty cool looking. So, go up and down. Go down, it'll chomp and make sounds. And same with going up, roaring. There's a lot of sound effects. And it has a kind of blue tongue. I like the teeth about it. Oh, and I forgot to show you scan codes of the Gigantosaurus, but I'm going to show on him first. Scan code is actually on his legs, whereas both the Triceratops and the Neo-Venator are on their backs. Let me show you on both of them. Here it is, Triceratops and Neo-Venator. Neo-Venator. I think it's called Neo-Venator or Neo-Venator. I don't know. That's all. Yeah, that's all the dinosaurs I have. That's 5 of my newest ones. So, yeah. Like and subscribe. This video, I'm planning to upload this video by today. I hope I post this video. I have more videos to post as well, too. They're all in the past. So, have a nice day. Like and subscribe. I'm not sure how many subscribers I want to get by the end of this year. Probably 250, because I don't know if you guys can be handling 500 subscribers. Trying to getting that. Yeah, that's because pretty much that is hard. Because it's almost near the end of 2023. So, if you guys can, try and get this to 250 subscribers by the end of this year. If not, probably at the end of, I don't know, January. But that's all. Stay tuned for more videos coming up. Yeah, more coming up. So turn on your notifications.